my coolest testers, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna create a free account in github.com. I know it sounds very stupid opening a GitHub account, but I believe there is not such a question as a stupid question. We will head over to github.com. I will add a link in the description as well. Then we will hit the sign up button. We will be creating our GitHub account with our email address. Then we will add our password. Then we will choose a username and we will say no to our new shelter because you don't want so much of emails coming to your email, isn't it? Then we will do some puzzles or capture, and then finally we'll hit create account, and we will also do some of the authentication. After that, we will set some specification feature which is needed. We are creating a free account because we don't need the premium version because we are not developers and not doing such a things crazy. So after hitting the free account, it will have some spiral designs, and then voila, we have our GitHub account. And now we're gonna set a repo. So I'm putting it Katalon Studio because this is one of my Katalon tutorials, and then I'm gonna hit create a new repo. The address, you can see your GitHub repo address. And yeah, that's it, how to create a GitHub account from scratch. Please like and subscribe. If you like and subscribe, it will motivate to make me more tutorials which can help you guys in your software testing journey.